I'm Ankita, talking from San Sevalal News Network, Bengal. And today I have come down to a student's house to talk to him about how the COVID situation is impacting his education. As we know, everything has been moved online, from their classes to their examination. So let's figure out how it is impacting them and how it is impacting their education and them as a whole. So now let's talk to the student. So here we have Pranav Paul with us, who is a chemical engineering student from the Heritage Institute of Technology. How is the COVID scenario impacting your studies altogether?
The COVID scenario has impacted my studies in several ways. In our field, the more practical knowledge is more important than the theoretical ones. So theoretical ones we are getting in the online classes, but for the practical classes, as we don't have any practical experience, it is become very difficult for us. So in the near future, when we go out in the field, it will be a huge problem for us because we don't know what the real problems are in the field. So that's a huge issue in our area, I feel. And theory part is okay, it's manageable, but offline mode is far better than online mode. Everyone knows that, and I feel the same.
Right. So how is the examinations going? Is it impacting your examinations?
Yes, it is impacting because everyone is getting good marks, fairly high marks, which is surprising. Everyone is getting above 9 or above 8. So there is, to be fair, there is no competition now, and which is not at all a good sign for us in the future, and will definitely affect us in our interviews.
Right. So the other thing I wanted to ask is, has this scenario affected you mentally? Because doing the entire examination and the class process online might have been difficult. So is it affecting you mentally too?
Yeah, a little bit, because we don't have much to do in the house. We are trapped inside.
Yeah, it's locked down right now.
Yes, we are trapped inside and we have to study, and the online classes going on. 4 hours, 5 hours of online classes. So it is affecting us mentally, but then the huge amount of assignments and class tests and semester exam, as it is online, so teachers are thinking that they can finish everything fast, in a much faster way. So it is impacting us, affecting us in a mental way, but we are trying to cope.
Right. We all are trying to cope. The other thing I wanted to ask is, how do you feel about missing the college experience? Because college experience is something and you're missing a bit of it.
Yeah,
So
I've only gone for like 6 months, my first semester. So I've missed out almost 1.5 years. So it is a huge miss, I think. And I hope that it will be better in the coming days. But for now, I am missing a lot because college life is said to be one of the most important aspects of someone's life, and right now I don't know how it looks like when I am older, because right now when I entered college I was a junior, but now when I'm a senior I don't know how it feels like, so I'm definitely missing that experience.
Right. As we can see after talking to Pranav Paul, that it is rather difficult to be a student right now. He said that his teachers are still expecting an overwhelming amount of work to be done, like assignments, and it is overwhelming to do classes for 3-4 hours straight, and it is extremely difficult. So we can easily say that it is not very beneficial, and in fact they are missing out on their entire college experience, which is rather unfortunate. So we can say that it is rather inconvenient, and we can wrap up this by saying that the COVID scenario is being very difficult on the students academically and mentally.